From the start, the most important question for us was, how can we automate flexoprinting to respond to the shortage of skilled workers? The combination of Boardmaster with IntelliMesh scanner does exactly that. It simplifies operation and at the same time ensures consistent print quality. Hi, my name is Werner. I've been working for Heidelberg for more than 27 years, and a few years ago I started my personal Boardmaster journey. My colleagues and I had some cool ideas. We are, so to speak, the minds behind the Boardmaster and IntelliMesh. In addition, we wanted to reduce waste and increase the availability of the printing press, which of course results in higher profitability. A true non-stop operation can be realized. The Boardmaster has zero changeover downtime. Again, zero changeover downtime. It produces continuously from job to job without ever stopping. No matter how many spot colors you use, no matter what package size you print, and no matter which production speed you run. And what makes it really fast? The printing units are set up automatically thanks to the IntelliMesh. That's the key to money saving. Changing the job can be done at any speed, but when you see a change at 600 meters per minute, which is 2,000 feet per minute, it's just wow. A key moment for me was when we first presented the Boardmaster concept to a few customers, before we even started building the machine itself. We were even more enthusiastic when at this early stage our customer already called it a real game changer.